Time to start supper this afternoon, y'all. We're making mozzarella chicken bake, some salads, and corn. We're gonna put a little olive oil in our pan. And we're gonna season the chicken with just a little salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I had to trim the chicken real quick. That took a second. Now we're ready to put the salt and pepper and garlic powder. The wind is really blowing out there today. It's been blowing the door open a lot. If the kids don't shut the door all the way when they go out, like, you know, if they shut it but just not hard, that wind blows it right back open. It's going to take me a couple of times to get all this chicken, but we just want to sear it. So we're just doing it for about 4 minutes per side, and then we're going to transfer it to a pan. Can you grab me the 9x13 pan, Sissy?
And then like a big purple bow to go in the back on the back plate.
Switching these real quick. I've got some marinara sauce right here. We're going to put just a little bit in the bottom of the pan. Spread it around. This is kind of like a different take on chicken parmesan. Instead of chicken parmesan, it's mozzarella chicken bake. I've got the oven preheated to 375. So when the chicken finishes searing on both sides, we're just going to transfer it over to the pan and do the other ones. And we will be almost ready to put this in the oven. This is pretty quick. Pour the rest of the marinara sauce over the top of the chicken. Now we just top it with the mozzarella cheese. And that's it. It's going in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes to finish cooking the chicken. It's good. It's like chicken parmesan, but chicken mozzarella. Today we're making Easter carrot bread. We have about 2 cups of grated carrots right here. Now we're putting 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
Chicken cookie jar.
Yes. Oh yeah, can you get that out for me?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll coat the carrots in the flour. Now we need some baking soda, cinnamon, and a surprise ingredient, apple pie spice.
Mom, you want to see something cool that I learned?
Yeah. We're seeing something cool he learned. Are you trying to do what you did with the basketball?
No.
Oh, okay. Because this ball bounces higher than the basketball, or easier than. Oh, that's it. That is cool. All right, so we need 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, ½ a teaspoon of the apple pie spice, and oh, I forgot the salt. We need a teaspoon of salt. All right, now we'll mix that in with the carrots and the flour. It's already smelling good. The kids are all getting excited because it's just a few more days until Easter. We're gonna put 3 eggs into this measuring cup. And we'll whisk those up. We need 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. We need a 1/4 cup of milk. All right, we'll pour all this in. Okay, now we need ½ a cup of honey. The next 2 things are optional. We're gonna put in a few chopped walnuts and some raisins, but you don't have to put these in if you don't want to. We'll go ahead and put the raisins in. And I'm doing just a few walnuts. It'll end up being about a 1/4 cup to ½ a cup chopped. Let's get my loaf pan over. I already got it ready to go. Sprayed and floured. Now, one of the things I'm pretty sure I'm going to make for Easter Sunday, I'll probably make it on Saturday night, is the savory Easter carrot bread. It's a Paula Deen recipe. I'll link that video down below for y'all if you want to see it. That bread is so good. So that's what I'm going to make to go with our food on Easter Sunday. I'll stir all that in, and it's ready to go into the loaf pan. It's going to bake at, I've got the oven at 375. It's going to bake for about 45 to 55 minutes. I'll start checking it around 30 or 35 to see if we need to cover it with some foil so the top doesn't get too brown.